Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom MDF Christmas ornaments. When it comes to making custom Christmas ornaments, MDF is a really good choice. The main reason for that is because it paints extremely well. So this is right off the laser, as you can see. There's some smoke around the edges. Some people like that, some people don't. You can see the same thing with the back. There's a little bit of smoke here and there. So if you like that look, this is great material for that. If you don't like it, the easiest fix to it is just to spray paint it. And again, MDF paints very, very well. You don't even have to add a primer, you can just spray paint it right off the bat, and it can be literally any color. The nice thing about spray paint is you could also buy like metallic spray paint and glitter spray paint and a whole bunch of other kind of neat stuff. So if you wanted to have, some Christmas ornaments with glitter, they're red, green, and blue, you could totally do that just as easily as steel and even reflective mirror to make this look very, very different than what you see here. Now we have a lot of different tools here in the shop to make something like this here. In this case here I used the laser because it's the most efficient way of making this. This would be possible using a router as well. You just wouldn't get as clean of an edge, and a lot of these smaller details would really be a limiting factor because you're always limited by the smallest bit you have with the router, while with the laser the bit essentially is a beam of light, which is almost nothing. So this is definitely the best way to go when it comes to making custom Christmas ornaments out of MDF of this thickness. So how do you go about getting custom Christmas ornaments made? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Just send us a design file. Then we'll, tell us the specs on it, the thickness of material you want, the material preference you have, how many you want made, and the budget requirements that we have to fit within. And then based on that, we'll choose the machine and we'll go back and forth, try to find something that fits within all of those parameters, and then we'll just make it and ship it right to your door.